Okay, okay.
You going to get a haircut, dogs?
Stay.
See?
Oh, yes, Iggy.
I don't know where their slip leashes are, but these are fine. Stay. Stay. You stay there, Chesty. Stay.
Stay back there. Bad dog. Hi.
You guys have fun, okay?
Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Daddy.
Bye, baby girl.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye. Okay. Got no keys. Ah! Okay, I gotta deliver prints. I need to get 90 feet of baseboard. I gotta fix a door. Pressure treated posts. I gotta make a clothesline. And yeah, lots of repairs at the rental property today. Hopefully I can get done quickly so I can get back home and get that 4-inch pipe completed, because today is Wednesday. They're turning on the water for sure on Friday, if not today or tomorrow. Got my wide angle lens finally. I sent in my previous wide angle to get fixed because it wouldn't focus anymore. $3,500 lens, and they told me it's unfixable. So I bought a new one, a cheaper prime wide angle. So I'll give that a try tomorrow. Now there's handles. time. Wow. I take way too long to do stuff. I got the 2 posts in, got the 2 window screens in. That's it. I got the top cross piece ready. I just need screws to fasten it to the post. And then just string the line and then the clothesline's done. That ground was took a little longer to dig than expected. It was coarse gravel from 6 inches deep all the way down to 4 feet. Just coarse, big rocks. So that took extra time. But it's 5 o'clock. I gotta get back home for Leo's baseball. So I guess I'll come back up here again another day. Finish this project. What do you got going on there?
I got some plants and stuff
Wow.
He's ready to garden with you.
from Tasso.
Oh wow, buddy. That's really cool.
Daddy, what's in your bag?
Do you have some seeds?
Chester, be quiet.
Because I want a plant
Chester.
Wow, Leo. That's cool. What are those gold rocks in there?
Oh, those were found in my dad's bag.
that goes on there, so all the water drains into that.
Oh. Cool. Those are neat.
Yeah.
We'll work with that tomorrow, okay?
Right.
How do you look, Chester? Get back. Get back. Get back. Let's see ya. Oh, yeah, you're so tiny now. Huh? Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Iggy. Iggy. Oh, yeah. Okay. My goodness. Good boy, Leo.
Yagi.
Yeah.
My noise.
That's just somebody honking their horn.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, like what an asshole. Like I can't believe people. Green light. Hey, I brought you some
with your glove, right?
What do you got in there, Beth?
Snack.
Snacks?
Yugi.
Yeah.
Her face.
Oh.
Or left, but he froze right.
What do you think, Andy?
Yeah, Sid does everything left, but this right.
Yeah.
And but he throws left too.
Oh, so watch the other two just struggle. I found Leo circuit.
That's a big one.
Lodi from the
Hey, good throwing, buddy. That's great.
Good job, bud. This one, you can keep that one. Want one of these? No, you have that one.
What are these?
Is it just like this? Good job. Is that good?
We're gonna work in the garden tomorrow, Leo.